Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hi everyone, this is Madhura. Welcome to Madhura's Recipe. Today I am making dhaba style dal palak. This is very rich and tasty and delicious and healthy spinach recipe. So to start, in a pressure cooker I have preheated 2 tablespoons of oil and we'll start with the tempering. Of course, goes in half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them sizzle around. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just a pinch of hing, that is asafoetida. A tablespoon of garlic cut into small chunks. 8 to 10 curry leaves. And then finely chopped onions. Mix that up and let this onion cook for just about 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns nice and soft. Alright, so here onion looks nice and soft. At this point of time, we'll go ahead and add in tomato in this. So this is one medium sized tomato. Give that a mix. Also goes in green chilli, 2 to 3 green chilies, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of garam masala and a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix that in and cook this for 2 more minutes. And here this is cooked for 2 more minutes after adding tomatoes in this. Now if you are watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe plus bell icon, as I post 2 recipes every week and you will always be the first to get notification of these new recipes. So now in this masala we'll go ahead and add in our dals. So here is this Chana Dal. So this is 1/4 cup of Chana Dal which I have rinsed and then soaked in water for about 2 hours, and we have 1/4 cup of Moong Dal. Now here I have just rinsed the Moong Dal. You don't need to soak this separately as Moong Dal cooks pretty fast. Mix that in. Also add in some water. Now you must be wondering, here I am making dal palak and where is the palak? So let's wait for some time, as I am not going to cook this palak along with dal itself, as this palak might get overcooked, and if we overcook any vegetable it loses its nutritional values in that. So to avoid that, I add palak at the end of the dish. So let this dal gets cooked. Just now I added some salt for taste. Give it a mix. So let this palak cook. So let this dal cook over medium heat for about 3 to 4 whistles. So over here I have cooked this dal over medium heat for about 4 whistles, and look at that, it looks fantastic. This dal is very well cooked. Superb. I'm going to go ahead and mash this up a little bit. So we'll start my heat over medium, mash this dal. And now in this, add in this about 2 cups of spinach leaves. The spinach leaves cook pretty fast, so it will take just another 5 to 6 minutes. Mix that in. And cook this for 5 more minutes. If you want, you can also add some water to adjust the consistency of dal. And look at that. Here these spinach leaves are well cooked. They have wilt down completely, and this way it also helps to retain its natural green color along with its nutrients. Now in this dal, since we are making it dhaba style, we are going to add some additional tadka. So here I have a tablespoon of oil heating up. So in the hot oil goes in roughly crushed garlic, just little bit, dried red chillies, and a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Awesome. And let's pour this tadka over this dal. Superb. And this dhaba style Dal Palak Dhaba is all ready. How to serve this? You can have this with some plain boiled rice or jeera rice, or you can even have this with steaming hot fulka, roti, chapati. Awesome, it tastes so delicious, plus it has retained its nutritional value as we have not cooked this spinach along with dal itself. So do try this out, healthy and tasty delicious dal palak, and let me know how it turned out in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.